This house is listed by Miya Liu. Thank you so much. So we have the chance today, because of her, to show this gorgeous house to our subscriber. This is MLL, California House Tours. Me, Luca, and Marco Trica behind the camera. We're showing you some gorgeous property located all throughout Southern California. So please remember to like the video, comment, let us know what you think about this property, and also please subscribe to the channel so you're gonna get notified every time we're gonna show a new property, we're gonna post a new video. What's up everybody? Welcome back to MLL California House Tour. My name is Luca, and together with Marco today we're going to be touring this fantastic property located at 53 Crater, Irvine, California. We are in the community of Altair area, great park, and we're going to show you this fantastic, gorgeous property that features 4-bedroom, 4-bath, also additional 2-half bathroom. And it's a property priced at $1.96 million. Come with me, come check it out, this beautiful property. Let's get in. As soon as we get through the door, we enter this grand entrance with a super high ceiling. It's a very nice foyer with a spiral staircase. They go to the second floor. This house features 4,357 square feet and has 3 floors. We're gonna show you all this gorgeous property, starting from this room here on the right, which is a room that is an office. Today staged with a desk, this amazing piano, high ceiling all over the property with design lighting. We're passing through this beautiful window door, and we're going through here. Before showing you the main part of the ground floor, I'm gonna pass by here and show you this first half bathroom. And it's a beautiful half bathroom, guest bathroom. Here on the ground floor, we have a storage room here. That could be closet for guests. And here underneath the staircase, we have a space where we can put some chairs, some table. It's all part of this beautiful foyer. This beautiful spiral staircase here in this grand entrance. Now, if you follow me, this massive space that features living room, formal dining room, and kitchen all in one open space. And as you can see, we have in this chef's kitchen, this no one but 2 island. We have one island that features 2 dishwasher, the sink, plenty of countertops, and the other one with plenty of cabinetry and storage space, pantry room right there, and appliances, stainless steel appliances all over the kitchen. As you can see here, a Sub-Zero fridge. Here we have 2 big, one microwave, one oven. We have 2 dishwasher here, big sink, and we have a 6-burner stove and 2 oven space. We have plenty of storage space all over the kitchen, especially in the second island, with stools and stage to be used for dinners and to entertain guests and family. And here we can see this formal dinner table with a chandelier on the ceiling, very nice light fixtures. We have another Sub-Zero piece here, which is the wine fridge, big countertop space, and plenty of cabinets and storage space right here. A massive space here for the living room. We have this big couch, and the property here features plenty of shelf here and other cabinets right here all over the place. You can see here on the ground floor, it's all hardwood floor. Now I'm going to show you the backyard. Opening, nice space with light fixture here, fireplace right here, and it's perfect space to put a nice couch and table. And here you can see we have plenty of extra space, some lemon trees in the making. And now I'm gonna walk back here. It's a spacious backyard. It's perfect to enjoy the sunny California weather. Here we have extra space too. Can be used for storage, and there's also a door right there that enters the 2-car garage space. Now let's go back inside. One of the 4 bedroom that this property features. This is the only one in the ground floor. Nice space. We have 2 big windows here, an extra over there. And here we have a very spacious walk-in closet with a shelf, hangers. And here we have a very nice shower, vanity here. Now I'm going to show you this space here, which is a changing area where you can put your shoes, take off the shoes, plenty of space over here to store whatever you feel. As you can see here, there's a door that is the entrance from the inside of this 2-car garage space. Beautiful space with very, very clean and well made. This is the door that it's the main entrance for the car. 2-car garage space, very well done. The second floor through this spiral staircase. You can see how this beautiful, super high ceiling. And here we are on the second floor that features the other 3 bedrooms. We're gonna start from the first one over there. It is the first of the 3 bedroom upstairs. As you can see, 2 big windows here, plenty of lights, and the view of this community. This bedroom features an ensuite bathroom. And also this closet, plenty of shelf and hangers. All the 4 bedrooms feature an ensuite bathroom and an independent closet. Now I'm going to show you this super spacious laundry room. As you can see, plenty of storage room, independent sink, and large countertops Plenty of cabinets, and it's a beautiful, spacious laundry room. We're getting out here. The second bedroom upstairs, bigger, very big bedroom, and this bedroom also features this deck. Walk-in closet, and on the other side, ensuite bedroom. Here I can show you another storage space. The whole house has plenty of storage space throughout the property. I'm gonna show you this wonderful master suite. You can see you have an independent deck. Now I'm going to show you this wonderful spa-inspired master bathroom. As you can see, a double entry. Have a shower and relax here. And now I'm going to show you, we have another countertop space here for storage, one other right there, but here on the right and on the left we have his and hers walk-in closet. Let's get inside because these two spaces are massive too. You see plenty of cabinet space. We also have a vault right here in case you need it. And also we have a mirror right here so you can try on your clothes, your shoes. Same for the other side. Right here, same space, big, wonderful, and it's his and hers in this safe space in between the main part of the master suite and the master bathroom. And now let's get outside. And I want to show you the third floor. This property has 3 floors, and the last floors features this wonderful bonus room. See here we have this big couch. This is probably the space where you can put like a large screen. And also here you have plenty of countertops with sink, a fridge for your beverage, wine, beers, plenty of cabinet space. And also the third floor of the property right here features the second of the two half bathroom. So it's a wonderful space to entertain. And also here you have these three large windows, the overview, the gorgeous community of Altair. Here there is another space, which is, I'll define probably another pantry room, since we have a fridge over there, so probably where you can store any type of stuff that it's great to entertain guests. As said before, we have here another fridge, so probably here you can gather with family and friends. Please remember to like the video, let us know what you think about the property in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.